Hey y'all, it's Krissy and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am doing a video today on how I refresh my passion twist. I really feel like I should have done a video on how I did the passion twist to begin with, but it was my first time, so I was just like, let me see what I could do if I could do it, you know what I mean? But I think I did a really good job, and I'm definitely going to do them again, so when I do it, I'm gonna post a video. But this video is gonna be about keeping it fresh, keeping it moisturized. I kind of did like the back already, but just to show you what I mean, through sweat and just having it for about 3 weeks now, you can see like some of my real hair getting fuzzy. You can see that they're loosening up as opposed to these fresher pieces. You can also tell that it's like kind of dull, and these are a bit shinier and just more put together. So I'm gonna show you how I refresh it. So if you're interested, keep watching. So first I'm going to completely unravel the twist. One thing that I really like about this hair is that I can unravel it as many times and retwist it without it getting too frizzy or tangled. It's just a good reusable hair to me. Then I'm going to use my Asha Naturals Intense Moisture Cream, and I'm going to put it on the root and on the actual strands of my hair before I retwist it. Then I'm going to go in with some hair gel by The Main Choice. It's like their biotin styling gel, and I'll link that below along with the hair. I go ahead and I add it to the hair and my hair. Then I put some edge control. I'll also link that below. With that, my hair should stay within the extensions, and it should stop it from frizzing up. When I feel like I'm running out of edge control, I'll just add more until I get to the bottom of the twist. Y'all don't mind my makeup. Tried a new foundation, didn't like it, so we moving on. But now I am at the end of my twist, and I'm gonna add just a little more edge control. And I think this part is key because you don't want it to unravel, nor do you want to have to worry about it every day. And I'm gonna just show y'all again one more time just so you get all the steps. And you may not even need to do this to your whole head. You know, you might need to do this for a couple of strands. But you can already tell the difference in just those 2 strands that I've done, that it's well put together, it's moisturized, and the twists just look really natural, and that's what I wanted to achieve with this look. So my hair is completely like moisturized, scalp is moisturized, and then like my twists just look so much better. Like they were looking rough before, so like that last strand that you seen, imagine my whole head looking like that. It was starting to look really frizzy and I just couldn't take it, so this is what I did. Usually what I would do next is add mousse to my hair. I use this Smooth and Shine Polishing Mousse. It has sweet almond oil and it has extra hold. The hold is a 7. It's super expensive in the store when I was looking for it, and I knew that I could get it cheaper online, so I did order 2 of these on Amazon for the price that they charged me for one in the beauty supply store. The only thing is I have some left, but for the life of me, I don't know how I broke it, but I just can't get it out. Like, well, I guess if I did it like this, but like it's not coming out. So I don't know how I managed to do that, but I'm gonna skip that step. That's why I use extra edge control, because I'm not gonna have that mousse. But I think it is a good idea, especially if you have coily hair. My hair is very coily, but if you can, I would definitely recommend doing the mousse as well. Also, what I do is I put oil on my roots, so I'm gonna use the Mael Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. Lately, me and oils haven't been so friendly with one another. Like, it's been making my scalp itch, so I've just been sticking to like mints right now that soothe my scalp. And so I'm gonna put some here just to make sure that my hair is having some TLC. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.